Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. This is a dubbed version of the video, a limited edition video, because hey, I put the microphone on the wrong setting as per normal. So this is going to look like an old kung fu film where my voice doesn't quite match up to the movement of my mouth. But anyway, I'm sat in a Mercedes A-Class W176 chassis. We've replaced the head unit for a much better, superior one, and this is what you're looking at right now. This is the Pioneer Evo 950 DAB, bespokely fitted. Well, it's not quite bespoke because there is an off-the-shelf installation kit, but what you normally expect is to see is a screen at the top of the dashboard, that old little antiquated VGA Mercedes screen, which abysmal graphics and even worse in the terms of functionality it offers. Custom with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We connected all this unit up to the original steering wheel controls. I was just pushing the buttons a minute ago to show you that when I turned the volume down. This is a 9-inch Pioneer wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. We relocate the buttons around the factory radio to where I'm showing you right now, because the hazard switch and everything is at the bottom. They're now at the very top where the original screen used to be. It's quite a nice little finishing panel. Fully reversible as well though, so if you don't want to have this Pioneer in when you sell the vehicle, then you can fully reverse it. We link it up to the headlights so the unit goes into a dark mode when you turn your headlights on, meaning there's no stupidly bright, vibrant colours at night time. And when you turn the lights off, it goes back to the white version as well. And actually, on this Pioneer, you can have it in dark mode all the time. A bit like your Apple phone, you can have it in black all the time if you prefer. This car also had a reverse camera fitted as standard. We've actually retained that as we're showing you right now, and we keep the moving guidelines working, so you don't lose any functionality. And if anything, this camera looks better on a 9-inch screen opposed to that rubbish 5-inch screen this car had as standard. Take it out of reverse and it comes back to the original screen. Now, I'm showing you my phone now because I'm going to get my phone connected, but as you can see, I'm in the queue system for Oasis tickets. Needless to say, I didn't get the damn tickets. So let's go into Bluetooth, and we're going to connect our phone up to the Pioneer to show you wireless CarPlay. You find the model number at the bottom, select it, and then now it's going to ask you if you want to pair. You hit pair, hit yes on the screen, and then it's going to ask you a couple of prompts on the screen to say go ahead and connect, and then it's going to say do you want to do CarPlay, which is doing right now. Hit yes on the Pioneer screen when it comes up, and then we just wait for it to do its handshake from Bluetooth to Wi-Fi, and then you'll get CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly. And there you go. Now the customer's got CarPlay on the screen, where you can get access to music apps, navigation apps, and internet radio apps, should you not be in an area where there's DAB, because we've put DAB on this as well. But if you go to an area there's no DAB, you can use things like BBC Sounds, Radio Player, My Radio, and such like this. Text message come up for on the screen like that for prompts. There's my Oasis group chat, probably saying that no one else got tickets either. And then what you can also do, you can do split screen on here as well. So you can have your Pioneer DAB on the right and CarPlay on the left. Now that is one of the actually only models out there that give you split screen for CarPlay and the actual branding DAB stations as well at the same time. That's quite a nice little function that's only available on this Pioneer at the moment. Now, I don't know where we're going next with this video, so I'm just going to wait and see what I'm showing you, but it's showing you the overview of the whole results at the moment. And now I'm pretty sure I'm going to finish the video now, because there's not really much more to say. This is a Mercedes A-Class W176 chassis with a double DIN conversion done with a Pioneer 9-inch screen. This is going to give the customer DAB, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, but with the important factor of wireless connectivity. And also DAB, because this car never had DAB as standard. So yeah, this is Connor from John Cleese signing off.